If your facility is like many others, the OEE of your critical assets is probably lower than it should be. Small losses add up, inefficiencies become normalized, and improvement opportunities stay hidden in day-to-day operations. But all this can be changed. Octopus Digital, as part of OmniConnect, our IT/OT convergence platform, offers OmniOEE, built to help manufacturers see what's happening on the factory floor. OEE, or Overall Equipment Effectiveness, is the industry standard metric for understanding how well your assets are truly performing. It is calculated by multiplying three core factors. Performance, how fast the equipment runs versus its designed speed. Quality, how much good product is produced without rework or scrap. Availability, how often the equipment is actually running when it should be. Together, these three dimensions reveal the real story behind productivity. So, how do you know if your OEE is actually good? Let's start with industry benchmarks, beginning with performance. For mid-size manufacturing facilities, world-class performance is typically above 95%. Very good performance sits around 90 to 95%. Average performance ranges between 85 to 90%. Anything below that indicates clear room for improvement. Next is quality. World-class quality exceeds 99%. Very good quality falls between 97 to 99%. Average quality sits around 95 to 97%. Below 95%, quality losses begin to significantly impact OEE. Quality is often well controlled, but even small losses can compound over time. Finally, availability, and this is where most facilities struggle. World-class availability is above 90 to 92%. Very good availability ranges from 85 to 90%. Average availability is often 75 to 85%. Below 75%, unplanned downtime dominates production. Availability is typically the hardest to improve, yet it delivers the largest OEE gains. And if you're not at world-class levels, Octopus Digital will get you there. In fact, this is where OmniOEE has made its biggest impact. So how do we make it happen? Operational data flows from equipment on the shop floor through OmniEdge, our industrial edge layer. From there, data moves securely into the cloud via OmniConnect, where it is combined, contextualized, and analyzed. At the same time, IT data from ERP systems also feeds into OmniConnect, bringing production context, planning data, and business insights together. From the cloud, insights are delivered through real-time dashboards, where operators, maintenance teams, and managers can see exactly what's happening. Those insights drive corrective actions, which are fed back into the equipment, closing the loop. In short, OmniOEE delivers edge connectivity via OmniEdge, cloud intelligence through OmniConnect, actionable dashboards for the plant floor and management. Now, let's talk about impact. For one customer, the OEE of their most critical equipment improved from 83% to 91% in less than a year, with availability improvement as the primary driver. Availability jumped over 8 percentage points, and downtime dropped by 90% in total minutes, with main product lines exceeding 93% OEE. These improvements were real, systematic, and sustained, not temporary spikes or reporting artifacts. Let's go even deeper into availability. Using the root cause analytics dashboard, OmniOEE pinpointed idle stops, safety interlocks, setup and changeover related issues. These issues were previously seen as routine operational noise. With clear visibility into frequency and duration, teams were able to take focused corrective actions. By addressing high-frequency issues, micro-stoppages were reduced, recovery times improved, and overall runtime stabilized. In fact, one of our customers scaled up production with additional machinery because their OEE was now world-class. The benefits don't just stop with these metrics. With in-plant dashboards, visibility improved across the factory floor, and teams shifted from reactive firefighting to data-driven decision-making. Every employee could see how the factory was performing, creating ownership, accountability, and alignment. Here's how the General Manager, Supply Chain Operations at Tapal Tea describes their digital transformation journey. For other manufacturing customers, we've seen consistent, measurable improvements in OEE within just 6 months. OEE improved by roughly 17%, performance efficiency increased by 20%, and availability was maintained above 92%. This translated into nearly a 20% increase in actual production output in the second half of the period. Referring specifically to the reporting and analytics layer of OmniOEE, General Manager at Emirates Macaroni Factory explained how real-time machine-level data enabled deep operational visibility. OmniOEE has a solid track record of helping customers move the needle on OEE for cost reduction and scaling up production volume. It's not just about measuring performance. It's about clear insight, confident action, and measurable results. Book a free demo today.